sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm flarking hurt, dude.
I was gonna ult that venom.
Guess I'll have even more tabs open for them. You don't close them once they raid? Warp, no. Oh no, Warp died. Oh no. Kill his ass. Get his ass, Vampy. Kill him. Fuck him up. 4%. Oh.
Good rest, Peach. Good rest.
Yep, I got you. Yeah, you know me. AFK just doesn't get rezzed apparently. Just Marty, because Marty's dying all the time, you know?
Sorry.
I'm down. Yeah, Vampy's on her top shit. Real? Real? Oh my god, Chappie. Chappie's fighting demons. Oh! Damn, Chappie's fucking him up. Oh my god. Emma, man. Why is he goated? What the hell? I'm just holding on to my ult too. Trying to push us into the end. Push it up a little bit. What the hell? What the fuck? Oh god, no! Oh, I didn't use it. Okay, good. Vampy said I ain't getting up. Okay, but go to bed. Oh shit. Chaos! Chappy. Oh, what? I died. Okay. I died of that? Want to see one gets 92? Okay. Okay. Wait, which way is this way? Oh. Oh. Vampy the multitasker of Doom? Yeah, she's pretty friggin' talented. I'm like, if a person was evil. Only if, though. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Cap wants us so bad. Get the fuck out. Oh my god. I do not have time for this. Everybody kill Captain America. Out of his ult. Get him out of here. Get him. Get him. Kill him. Sick him. I can't hit him. I can't fucking aim. Yay, we did it. I love the little squeak it makes when I dash and jump and stuff. Ooh, rip. Heckin' dang it. What, he flying around like he's Spider-Man? Who, me? Who?